Okay guys, so we're back into our market club and I'm on the Australian dollar Japanese yen. Okay, I've come onto my 60-minute chart. Now remember it had that resistance. Let me go back to the 6 months for you. Look, there's the resistance over there. Let's zoom that up a little bit. Okay, we can see it's broken through that. Okay, I've been away for a little while, I've come back now. And relative strength index is above 90. Fantastic. So that's moving up. Let's bring it back down to a 1 month. Okay, we can see it clearly now. It's broken that resistance level set by the Fibonacci. So let's go into our 60 minutes. Okay, and let's get that on 1 day. Okay, so that level was around about here somewhere, or just slightly lower. So it's broken that, but now it's the candlestick there is red, but our simple moving averages are all looking good. Okay, so it looks like it's moving up. It's a pity I wasn't watching it a little bit closer. I went to wait for dinner, but there we go, it moved up there nicely. So let's go and look at our 30-minute candles. So go into our 30-minute chart. Okay, so you can see over here, if I zoom in a little bit more, it's coming back a little bit, okay, and the relative strength there is 70. So I'm not going to enter the trade just yet, but I've got my finger on the trigger. Okay, so in the meantime I'll make sure I've set up on my bet on markets, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, I've got 200 in there, and I want to go for 1 hour. Okay. So to buy that bet would be $105.63. It'll pay out 200, which would realize a net profit of $94.37, which is 89% return. So that's good. Okay, right. So it looks like it's trying to move up there. Let's have a look at the 15. Why not? Let's see what the 15's doing. Okay, still down on the 15. It's a good trade. Let's wait a little bit. Look here, I'm going to be trying to do $100 trades here, but as I explained there, say you had $100, it'll be better to put that into 4 $25 trades and then compound them. So if you win your first one, 25, your next bet will be 57. I can't think of the numbers off the top of my head, but you'd rather go that way. If you started with 25 and you won 3 in a row, it would produce 157. Okay, so that's on the 15-minute chart. So it's a little bit red there. Let's wait a second. Right, so I'm just going to watch this. As soon as I get a signal, we'll enter the trade. Okay, so I'll just put this recording on pause for the time being. Okay guys, so it's about 5 minutes later, and our 30 minutes of candles have gone blue. I'll move on to our 60 minutes, and that's also gone blue. Time to enter this trade. So straight onto our bet on markets. We've already got it set up. Just go for get best prices once more. Okay, and we're going to buy that. Okay, bang. Right, so that's on. So I'll pause this video and we'll see. We'll come back to it in an hour's time, see how we've done. Okay guys, I've just come in now, looking at the trade we put on, so it won. Okay, we got in, our entry price was 83.441, that was 1746. I came in there, I forgot to put the video on, but it's just finished, what's that, about a minute or so ago. Okay, so that was our starting point there, 83.441, and now let's close at 83.4742. So a winning trade. Okay, I don't like to watch it because it's just nerve-wracking really. I'd rather come back in the end and see if I've won or lost. There's nothing you can do about it. And of course if you go away and forget about it, no problem, because it's going to close out in a certain time. So that's it. So we've won that one. So we started there with the, let's have a look, we put a 200 in and we came out with $96 in profit. Okay, Right, so we'll go look at we'll take that. Now we're going to compound it for our second trade. So we'll go look at our next trade. Okay, so in the next video I'll look at a new trade to put this one onto. So our next trade we're going to be looking at trying to go for $185. Take out $85, although we've got slightly more in this trade because we've got 89%. So we actually won $93. But we'll just stick with the 85% returns because that's what we get on most of the platforms. Okay, so look for the next video. I'll go look for something else to trade in the meantime.